Welcome to the visualfractions.com YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/2 by 1/3. In this scenario, we're dealing with two fractions. The first has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 2, while the second has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 3. The process of multiplying fractions is straightforward. You multiply the numerators together and then the denominators. So, let's perform the multiplication. 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. Next, 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. Hence, 1/2 multiplied by 1/3 equals 1/6. That's our final answer. It's important to highlight that 1/6 is already in its simplest form, so no further reduction is necessary. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully learned how to multiply 1/2 by 1/3. Multiplying fractions can be that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to helping you with more math in the future.